I should like to inform you, Mr. Chairman and party members, that I do not plan to seek a second term of office as party president. I plan to devote all my political energies and attention to the central project of effecting democratic change in our country. We have requested Milton Obote Foundation for funding of the two convocations. It is important for you, meaning the national chairman and the secretary general of the party, to actively follow up on this matter with MOF. I also have asked the planning team led by David Baliraine to proceed with making necessary plans and arrangements for all aspects of the planned convocation of National Council and Delegates Conference.